Britain's economy is shrinking at the fastest rate since the financial crisis. And after weeks of watching and waiting, now the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee, or MPC, is stepping in to stop the rot.
Today, the MPC agreed an exceptional package of measures comprising, first, a 25 basis point reduction in bank rate to 0.25%. The Bank of England continues to stand ready to take whatever action is needed to achieve its objectives for monetary and financial stability.
Mark Carney said the measures are needed because of the impact of Brexit. In the weeks after the UK voted to leave the EU, there have been falls in construction and manufacturing. And in the service industry, companies have widely reported a slump in new business. Here in London's financial heart, they're calling the bank's announcement Super Thursday. It's the first time in 7 years that interest rates have been cut, this time from 0.5% to 0.25%. It seems like a small drop, but an important one when it comes to boosting the country's economy. Lower interest rates mean the cost of borrowing is now cheaper. The hope is that this will reduce the incentive to save and encourage people to spend. Lower interest rates could benefit house buyers, reducing the cost of monthly mortgage repayments and giving people more money to put back into the economy. The bank also plans to expand its quantitative easing programme, the electronic printing of more money to help shore up the financial system. The measures could prove attractive to foreign investors taking advantage of the weaker pound.
If the Bank of England continue with what you'd call expansionary monetary policy, lowering rates or further stimulus measures, then you could see the pound drop even further, and then the UK would become even more attractive to foreign investment.
Here on Oxford Street, shoppers are seemingly unaware of the economic activity going on behind the scenes. Brexit sent shockwaves through the financial district, but what does it mean for the high street? The Bank of England says Britain's in for a rough ride, even with the latest measures. Rising unemployment and a recession could be unavoidable. Britain's taking its first footsteps into uncertainty. Neve Barker, Al Jazeera, London.